Do it again. Now go.
Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to PhotoLukeHawaii for your bi-weekly Hawaii update. Oh, I'm wearing the wrong shirt. That's better. Aloha everybody, thanks for tuning in to PhotoLukeHawaii for your bi-weekly Hawaii update. Or sometimes weekly update, I guess. Sorry, this is only been a week since our last one. It is Wednesday, December 9th, 2020. Here is our current COVID numbers since March 2020. Please everybody stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see the shout outs to other YouTube channels and businesses we think you should check out. Copy down this link because all travelers coming into Hawaii must create an account on the Safe Travels website and fill out the health and travel information online. Then all travelers coming into Hawaii must do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. Unless you do the pre-travel test 72 hours before coming to Hawaii for participating Hawaii counties. Copy this link also because all travelers 5 years old and older coming to Hawaii from the mainland USA or Japan and soon Canada have the option to do the nucleic acid amplification test for COVID-19 72 hours before their flight to Hawaii by a trusted testing partner listed in this website here down below. These links will also be down below in the description. And here is the information in Japanese and the link. Upon receiving a negative result from this test, you will not have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. However, if you do not get your test results back by the time your flight leaves, you must do the 14-day mandatory quarantine when coming to Hawaii. Regardless if you get your test results like hours after you come to Hawaii, it doesn't matter. You need to have the test result before you leave for your flight. Previously, you were allowed to come to Hawaii without your test. While you're waiting for your test result, start the quarantine. When you get your negative test result, then you would not have to do the quarantine anymore and you just go on, your trip like normal. But not anymore. It would be a waste for anyone who had taken the pre-travel test before coming to Hawaii and not getting your test result to come to Hawaii, because who wants to do a 14-day quarantine when you want to come here for a vacation? You should ask your airlines you're booking with, make sure that they do not have a penalty or a fee for canceling or rescheduling your flight, because you may have to change it if you do not get your test result back by the time you're supposed to leave for your flight. And I guess you would have to decide, hours ahead of time. In any case, here's the link for more information about travel to Hawaii with all this COVID stuff going on. As of December 2nd, 2020, Kauai is no longer part of the pre-travel test program. So all travelers going to Kauai, whether if it's from the mainland Japan or the another island, you have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. In our last episode, I had put that it was November 2nd. It actually started on December 2nd. Thank you, viewer, who pointed it out. Mahalo. I hear Big Island County will be doing a second test for all incoming travelers. And that test is going to be paid for by Hawaii County, not the traveler. And you'll get a test result in about 20 minutes. As far as I know, Lanai should be open for travel again, as the Safer at Home order ended on November 30th, 2020. If you're planning to go there, I'm sure you'll find out what kind of restrictions that they might have at this time. If traveling inter-island from Big Island, Kauai, Maui, Molokai, or Lanai, going to Oahu, you do not have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. If you are traveling inter-island to any island except Oahu, you do have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. Except if you are going to the Big Island, Maui, Molokai, or Lanai, you have the option to take a pre-travel test 72 hours before your flight by a trusted testing partner, and if you get a negative result, you will not have to do the 14-day mandatory quarantine. Here is the link to the trusted testing partner locations for this pre-travel test program. Travel from Canada to Hawaii with the pre-travel test program will start in the middle of December, but that's like a week away, and I haven't seen any specific start date yet, so we'll see what happens with that. Anyone doing quarantines or would like food delivery information, here are the links that I know about, and the bottom link for Instacart is for grocery delivery services. Everyone 5 years old and older must wear a mask whenever out in public when it is not possible to stay 6 feet apart from others. If you are going to the farmer's market, malls, shopping centers, stores, businesses, offices, on the bus, taxis, while ordering food, going through drive-thrus, in common areas at your apartment building or hotel common areas also, you need to be wearing a mask. Everyone also must keep 6 feet distance from other people who are not of your household. And you are not allowed to be in a group of more than 5 people. When you're out and about and touching things, when you have the chance, wash your hands with soap and water. And when you do not have soap and water, use hand sanitizer. When you get home or to your hotel room, don't forget to wash your reusable mask at least daily. And why not wash your face too? Anyways, I just use hand soap for all of this. I'm sure there's other better soaps to use on your face, but if you are dining in a restaurant or a food court, you will be required to leave your contact information, which is your name, address, and a phone number. This is just in case there is an outbreak and they need to do contact tracing. Here's a couple links. You can find out more information about COVID in Hawaii and current travel to Hawaii information for all Hawaiian islands. Here is our Hawaii news channels, Hawaii News Now and KHON2 News, both their website and their YouTube channel links. If you want to stay up to date with Hawaii news. Mele in Hawaii's last live episode for 2020 is this Saturday, December 12, 2020 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Go to hakuhawaii.com for the links to watch this live on Facebook or on YouTube. This episode is hosted by our Bondan sister Lena Girl. Yay, Lena Girl, what's up? It will be featuring Jake Shimabukuro, Anna V, and Paula Fuga. Also on their website, check out their videos, Haku Collective merchandise with some holiday collections, accessories, gifting ideas, Gimme A Minor's music CDs, including Haku Collective's Grammy-nominated album, Hawaiian Lullaby. Go to hakuhawaii.com, go check them out, go buy some stuff, and don't forget to watch the last 2020 Mele in Hawaii live episode on this Saturday, December 12, 2020 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. Mele in Hawaii at hakuhawaii.com. Shh, don't tell anybody, but Hanauma Bay has reopened. They're only allowing 700 people in a day, and they're closed 2 days of the week instead of just one now. So they're limiting the amount of people that have access to the bay. So shh, don't tell anybody. Planning your next trip to Hawaii and don't know where to start? Check out Guide of US Hawaii. Here is their link, www.hawaii-guide.com. You will find all kinds of information to plan your trip and what to do and expect during this time of COVID. It's a one-stop resource for all things Hawaii. Again, go to www.hawaii-guide.com. Guide of US Hawaii, go check them out and plan your next Hawaiian vacation. Guide of US Hawaii. Daily Pigeon Live with Andy Bumatai is every morning at 6 a.m. on Twitch. Go to www.twitch.tv/Andy Bumatai. Andy Bumatai is a popular Hawaii comedian, actor, and talk show host. One of my favorite episodes he did was All in No Hana, where he plays every member of the household. You can probably find this on YouTube, and maybe you can find the DVD on Amazon. And he also has his YouTube channel at www.youtube.com/Andy Bumatai Toolin' Around. There's the link anyways, it's a long one. So on his YouTube channel, he has live talk shows on Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays at 3:30 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. He also has replays of his early morning Twitch shows for your viewing enjoyment. Daily Pigeon Live with Andy Bumatai. If you're into reading short science fiction stories, please check out our friend at Storied World. You can go to www.storiedworlds.com. Here's his link, and it will also be down below in the description. You can check out his original fiction section on stories that he wrote, and it's free to read. He also does some book reviews and some other things. Storied Worlds at www.storiedworlds.com. We like to help support other YouTubers reach their first 1,000 subscribers. You folks have been asking for a Hawaii food vlogging channel, and now you got one. Please check out Amanda and Felix Eats on YouTube. They go around the island trying food from different places. They even do some hikes and adventures. In YouTube, just search Amanda and Felix Eats, or their link will also be down below in the description. Show your aloha to them and subscribe to them today. Plus, you get to see all the food they're eating, and they're fun to watch. Amanda and Felix Eats on YouTube. Linda B Everywhere is everywhere. She does travel, cooking, helpful tips, food and product reviews, and shows you around Las Vegas a little bit. Go to www.youtube.com/Linda B Everywhere. Show her some aloha and subscribe to her today. Linda B Everywhere. Check out Dan Kaiser's exercise channel on YouTube. He's awesome. Not only does he have exercises and stretches, but he also shows you how to get rid of some aches and pains. Just search Dan Kaiser on YouTube. Here's how you spell his name, and the link will also be down below in the description. Dan Kaiser. PhotoLuke Hawaii is sponsored by Lono. Go to lonomusic.com and his new YouTube channel, www.youtube.com/kaupe'epe'e. His link is here, and it will also be down below in the description. Lono contributes his music to us that we use in our videos, especially at the beginning of some of our videos. Please subscribe to Lono on his new YouTube channel, Lono Music. Again, there's his link, www.youtube.com/kaupe'epe'e. And check out his website at lonomusic.com. Show him some aloha and buy one of his many albums you can digitally download today. Or you can show him your appreciation and give him a donation through his website. He also has free song sheets for you to access on his website to play and sing along to his music. Lono Music on YouTube and lonomusic.com. PhotoLuke Hawaii is also sponsored by Shark Dog Designs Hawaii. Please check out his Shark Dog t-shirts on Amazon, and he also has his PhotoLuke Hawaii t-shirt available for purchase. Check out Shark Dog Designs Hawaii and buy a t-shirt today. Shark Dog Designs Hawaii. We also have a PhotoLuke Hawaii merchandise store on Teespring. It features our t-shirts with the same design. We have coffee mugs, bags, masks, stickers. So please check it out. This is our link to all our available merchandise on our Teespring store. Thank you to everyone who's already been supporting us and buying our merchandise. Mahalo. Right on. Thank you. If you want to see what our family does on trips, please head over to PhotoLuke Hawaii's Travel and Bon Dance channel. We mainly do videos of our Japan trips and Bon Dance, but we also have some California Disneyland, California Adventures, and Universal Studios videos. Again, here is the link, and it will also be down below in the description. Thanks for supporting us on PhotoLuke Hawaii Travels and Bon Dance channel. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get a notification every time we post a new video. Don't forget, we also have our live streams that we've been doing, and we've been having fun with that. We'll have the live streams once or twice a week at random times so that people of different time zones can tune in. Please join in if you can, because we'd love to see you there. If you'd like to support us a little bit more, you can join the PhotoLuke Hawaii team on Patreon, and here's that link. Or you can support us by giving us a donation on our PayPal link. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Mahalo nui lo, which means thanks very much. Malama pono, which means take care. Ahui ho, which means until next time. Aloha, you guys. Thank you. Really appreciate all of you. And thanks for watching to the end. And support all these people if you can. Or, you know, the ones that catch your eye, yeah? All right. Aloha, you guys. Mahalo.